This is exactly how to connect your TCL Smart TV to your mobile phone via Bluetooth. So the first thing we need to do actually on our TCL TV is to go to settings, click on all settings here as you can see, scroll down and click on remote and accessories. Make sure that your Bluetooth here is turned on, otherwise this will not work of course. Now what we need to do on our phone here, on our Android phone, go to your settings. It doesn't have to be an Android phone of course, but I have an Android here as you can see. And then you need to go to Bluetooth and then enable Bluetooth right here. And now what I need to do is to find my TV. So my TV is actually called Living Room TV here. So I'm just gonna click on pairing. And then sometimes you will get a code that you need to write on the TV. I didn't for some reason, so I could just click on pair basically. And it's just gonna say now that it's saved. There is one more thing I have to do, and that is on the Bluetooth here, is to click on my phone here. It's called like this, and then you can see it says that it's actually paired right now, which is awesome. So my phone is actually now paired to my TV here. You can see if I want to be able to unpair it, I have to click right here. But basically that is exactly how to actually do this.